OpenAI just turned Codex into a full workplace weapon? And Anthropic's Claude should be worried. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Friday, May 1st, 2026.
OpenAI upgraded Codex to work directly on documents, spreadsheets, and slides, integrating with popular workplace apps. They also launched advanced account security with hardware key support. This is a direct shot at 11 Labs, valued at $11 billion, just launched 11 Music for AI-generated tracks. Meanwhile, AI artist Breaking Rust hit #1 on a Billboard chart, and Suno crossed $300 million in ARR. AI music is no longer a novelty. Mira launched AI smart glasses that build a persistent memory of your life, your preferences, patterns, and experiences. They can autonomously book appointments, send emails, and translate in over 60 languages. Your wearable second brain is here. Contra Labs benchmarked AI creativity using real human professionals. The verdict? Claude wins ideation, Gemini leads design systems, and ChatGPT shines in refinement. No single model dominates all three phases, so your best bet.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Codex versus Claude for enterprise workflows in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.